Today we'll talk about how can you change username on your MyFitnessPal app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here. So when you click here on more, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down and you click here on settings here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. So then you click here on edit profile here. When you click on edit profile, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on your username. When you just click on it, click here on yes. So then it's going to take you to next step here, just switching to open video. Then here add your new username here. When you just add here with your new username, you click here on save changes, then it's going to change with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.